What if I told you that creating YouTube thumbnails that actually get clicks can be easier than you think, even if you have zero design experience? In this video, I'll introduce you to two of my favorite AI thumbnail generators that I use along with Canva to create professional-looking thumbnails in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to create amazing thumbnails every time. Let's get started. I'm on YouTube, and I want you to notice something. Thumbnails. All of these are thumbnails. Now really pay attention. Some of these are very simple. Some have a big picture. This is a sponsored video, ignore for now, but each one of these have something in common. They have something that grabs your attention and makes you want to stop and watch it. And that's exactly what you want, for your video to be seen. If it doesn't have a really strong thumbnail and title that grabs attention, hardly no one will see it. And that's what we're going to talk about today. I'm going to show you two different tools to make amazing thumbnails. Let's get started. Here is the first tool. This is Clickly. I've made a video on this before. This is a paid tool. You can click here to get started, and I'll put the link in the description below. I'll log in. Now I'm on the homepage. Overall, it's very simple. There's your template library, this is face cloning, and these are tutorials. All of these things are also over here. I'll show you some of the ones that I have made in here. Some of these may look familiar. Right now, they do have a sale, so if you want to get it over half off, I would definitely come check it out now. Making thumbnails costs credits. You buy the software, it gives you a certain amount of credits, and then it takes credits away every time you create a new thumbnail. This is the template library. They have hundreds and hundreds of them in here, and they're all different. You can search based on different topics: health, YouTube, e-commerce, gaming, etc. Then when you want to use it, if you click on it, you can edit it in your Canva account. So just click here, it'll open up Canva, and then it'll share this template with you, then just add it to your Canva account. Now you can make all kinds of changes, so everything is editable. Also, if you wanted to actually create your own from scratch, you'll go to the Magic Thumbnails area. Now the AI here will help you create a new thumbnail. You can drop in a link to a video, or you can add a text transcript in here, and then it will go and the AI will take that information and create this a new thumbnail based on that information. You can also make edits. Click here to do that. If there's a particular niche that you're working in, you can also use these image ideas, so that's a really good place to start. There's a whole lot of these in here. You can choose your language here. There's also a face cloning option. You can also choose your sizes, remove the background, and more. There's also a tutorial section. There's a lot in here, but basically that's how you use it. So this is Clickly. It is a paid tool, and that's how a quick look at how that works. Time to review the second thumbnail tool. So now we'll discuss the second tool that I use to make thumbnails with. It is also a paid tool. This is VidIQ. If you have a YouTube channel, you might already be using this. VidIQ is wonderful. It has a lot of different tools that you can use. Now I'm going to go to Optimize. I have this hooked up to my YouTube channel, so it pulls in all the videos I've created, as you can see here. But the thumbnail creator is the main thing that I want to show you here. I've created several using this tool. You can make changes, attach images, and give it a prompt, and then click Go to create the thumbnail for you. You can add in one of your own avatars or your personal photo in here too. Once it's done, download it. If you want to make changes, click right here to go to Edit. You can tell I've made quite a few video thumbnails in here using this exact system. It'll show you like a rating for each one to help with your SEO, to make it even better. And that's really important when you're uploading your video in YouTube. Remember, on YouTube, the most important things are the video title and thumbnail. If you don't have a good title or a good thumbnail, nobody is going to watch your video. And all this and more is here inside VidIQ. Okay, so this is VidIQ. So now that we've made our thumbnail, what if we want to make a few changes to it? I'll show you that next. Now we're back in Canva. I'll show you the last thing I do to my thumbnails. So once you've made your thumbnail, but you want to make a change, here's what I do. I'll go to social media and choose YouTube thumbnail. Now in the thumbnail area. Next, let me upload one of those. This was one that I made in VidIQ. I'll drag it over here and make it fill up the page. Overall, I like everything about it, except she isn't really smiling a lot, so I'm going to make a few small changes. The first thing I'll do is click on it, then go to Edit. Do you see these tools? I'm going to choose Magic Grab. Basically, I want to replace her, so I'll click on her, then grab her, then delete her. Next, I'll grab this image here and remove the background. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Then watch this. Come over here to Adjust under the Tool section and make changes as needed. So now I want to go to Download. Make sure PNG or JPEG is chosen, then download it. And then now I'm ready to put it on YouTube. Okay, so that's my process. Create your thumbnail using either of those tools I showed you before, and then if you need to make any changes, bring it into Canva and make your edits. And that way you can transform a pretty good thumbnail into a fantastic one just by following the steps I've shown you here. I hope this helps you with your YouTube channel and gets you a lot more views and subscribers. Have fun creating!
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.